Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today we are going to discuss about transfer switch, or rather changeover switch, a manual one, and this is how it looks. So we will start by connecting this. So this side is connected top to the bottom, and these wires are the ones going to the house. These are the wires going to the house. So, and these are the wires coming from electricity. We start with phase 1. This is the first phase. We'll connect it to the second port, or rather to the second terminal, like this. Then you take the second live 2, you connect it to the third row on your right side of the terminal, and then you take the third phase, connect it there. It's a very simple process. It's not difficult as people see it. So your neutral, you'll connect it at the end, at the first terminal on your right side, because the left side is connected to the top. The left side is connected to the top. So if you connect at the left side terminal, that will be a direct. So you connect there, so that when you switch on, the terminals will come into contact. So you put your neutral here, then you make sure it's tight, like that. So you go to your neutral. These are the neutrals going to the house. The neutral going to the house. You have 3 neutrals, so you connect all of them like that, and you make sure it's tight. It's tight. Like that. Okay, now you connect. Now on top here, you will connect on the left side because it's connected to the lower side. The left side of each line is directly connected to the terminals below, like this. So you connect like that. The wire that goes to the house, now you connect at the left side of the upper terminals, like that. Connect all the 3 faces the way we connected down there. Yes. So now you take the generator wires. The generator wires, you'll connect them at the right side, or at the top terminals, like that. You start with your neutral, and then your live, like that. You can see how it works. You connect the right side. Okay, like that. You connect your second phase and your third phase at the end. So now when you're finished, I'm going to show you how this works. This is now off. These are the terminals that connect then the generator to power. When you put it like this, now you are using power because you have connected these terminals. And then when you push it like this, now that is off. And when you go to the top, now you are using the generator. That's how simple it looks. It's a very simple process. So we have these covers. After finishing your connection, you put these covers like that, and you have covers from the start to the end, so it covers all the wires so that no naked wire is seen. No naked wire is seen. Thank you. Like, subscribe to Getembe Electricals. Don't skip ads for me to be able to bring you more videos. We repair electricity, we do wiring, we do solar, and anything electrical. Thank you a lot for watching.